So we are supposed to find the measure of angle B. To use the law of sines, you need to have an angle and the side opposite that angle. So we have that. So what we do is we write, using the law of sines, that as a ratio. That's going to be sine of the angle, 42 degrees, divided by the opposite side, which is 16. Now that should be equal to sine of a different angle over its opposite side. Since we're trying to find angle B, we're going to use this here. So we will do sine of angle B over its opposite side of 10. And these will always be equal to each other. That's what the law of sines does. Once again, you take sine of an angle over its opposite side, which is what this says. That will always equal sine of an angle over its opposite side. This is only true within the same triangle. So if you had multiple triangles, you couldn't compare them. Using algebra, you're trying to get sine of b by itself, so you want to get rid of this 10. The opposite of dividing by 10 is multiplying by 10. So you multiply both sides by 10. On the right side, 10 divided by 10 cancels. On the left, you get 10 sine 42 degrees divided by 16 equals sine of b. Now to get b by itself, because that's the ultimate goal, what's the measure of angle b? B is attached to sine by sine. Sine is a function, so it attaches itself to it. To unattach it, you have to do sine inverse to both sides of the equation, which looks like this. Sine inverse to the left side of the equation. Sine inverse to the right side of the equation. So on the left, this is what you're going to be typing into your calculator. Sine inverse of 10 sine of 42 degrees divided by 16. On the right side, sine inverse and sine cancel, and you're left with b. So all the math here is done. Now it's just your calculator's turn to finish this off. You've got to make sure your calculator is in degree mode, and what kind of calculator you have. But on mine, I hit the mode button, and I change it to degrees. And I'm going to hit second sine 10 times sine of 42, close my parentheses for my angle, divided by 16. I'll take a picture of this and send it to you. This ends up being around 24.72 degrees. So I typed it into my calculator, and this is what it looks like in my calculator. Once again, I don't know what yours looks like. Yours is probably some lame calculator. Mine's pretty sweet. So if there's certain parts of this you don't understand, because I don't know where your knowledge is of this, explain to me the exact part you don't get. You can call me if you want, and then we can figure out what you don't understand so I can help you. Peace.